My name is Idumela Mohasho and I'm a grade 11 student. So today I'm basically going to talk about my journey here at Leeds. So it was 2 years ago that I made a risky decision of coming to a school that I knew nothing about. I had my aunt telling me that there is a school that is starting in Harangua. Can you just go there? And I was like, yes, I want to leave my current school, but a new school, I don't know anything about it. What if it's not a real school? But I just took a risk and came to live. So it was January 2012, I came to live. It was just a small building. I was doubting that really there is a school here. I came in, I just only found out we were only 21 students, 3 teachers. I was like, no, this is not real. So I decided, let me just go on. If the school is not real, I'll just go to another school during the year. But fortunate enough, all was well. So what happened is that I found LEAP as a different school than any other school that I've attended before, because I've attended quite a number of schools before I came to LEAP. So coming to LEAP really changed the way I see things. For example, as a young lady, I never got a chance to speak with my mother some of the things that I would know. I would think like, no, I just need to talk with my girlfriends, like, okay. But here at LEAP, I had female teachers who opened up to me, like Mem Zonke, Mem Velemina. I had very difficult conversations with them. I would go home very angry at them. I would even write pages like expressing how I feel. I would even go to the extent of shedding some tears because they told me what I needed to hear, but I didn't want to hear that. So through those tough conversations, I got to realize that no, these people are really trying to help me to become a young woman that I am today. Because I believe the little girl that I was yesterday is nothing compared to the girl that I am today. So even before I came to LEAP, I had a struggle of just speaking to people. I would even get scared to just talk with my cousins. I was so reserved. So when I came to LEAP, they showed me that there is power in a voice. I need to come out of my shell, because I always believed that I'm a very shy person, but only to find that I was telling myself who I'm not. They tried as much as they can to help me to find who I am. I'm still in a journey of trying to find who I am, but I'm saying I've discovered a lot through my teachers and my fellow mates.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Molezi. I'm a grade 11 pupil here at LEAP 6, Idris classmate. They say that old habits die hard. I grew up in Harangua, a place where at the tender age of 19, as a boy, I expected to be a father. The so-called Nyaupe capital of Pretoria.
Let me just speak as loud as you can, because the sound isn't clear.
Okay. The so-called Nyaupe capital of Pretoria. And growing up, I used to be a very notorious child. I was involved in gangs, fights, any notorious thing that you can think about. And on January 12th of 2012, I was admitted to a school, the LEAP Science and Maths School. It was a scary environment because it was one building. That one building was an office, a computer lab, a school hall, a lunchroom, and a classroom, all at the same time. There were 21 learners, 3 permanent full-time teachers, and 1 temporary teacher. And I was like, okay, now this is a challenge. The school wasn't even registered at that time. So even though there were a lot of negative things to think about, talking about the environment, when I got into trouble and did the wrong things, the teachers didn't shout at me or beat me up like you would normally see in normal schools. The teachers sat down with me and talked with me. When I thought I couldn't do certain things just because I come from a disadvantaged background, they told me that I can. There was something different about this new environment, even though we didn't have many resources. The teachers believed that I can do things that I thought I couldn't. And that made me know and think that I can do those things.